goalkeeper at the moment who's on real good form. That's the 4th clean sheet on the bounce, so credit to all the defenders. Again, Dan Roberts who come in tonight, Kai, John Disney. It was a different back three the other night, so Chris Marriott, Ben Nash have all been involved in that over the last weeks, as well as George. But like I said, he's making 2-3 big saves each game, which is what goalkeepers are needed. If you're going to get results in this league, you're going to need your keepers to make that. But George has done that well, and as I said, it's kept us with a 2-0 lead at half-time. But then obviously allowed us the opportunity to really kick on second half.
It was a great win from the boys. I don't think we were at our best tonight, but I pulled off a few saves when needed, and we put our chances away when we had those chances. So it's a great win. Obviously we've got to put pressure on Barry to obviously get that 7th spot, and I think we did as best we could tonight. So quite happy with the 3 points.
I think first half was an outstanding performance from us. I thought we should have scored a couple of goals, but we didn't. And then second half, I thought we were a little bit powder puff in terms of them second balls. Connah's Key adjusted their press a little bit better, but I just thought we didn't stick to the principles that we've been working on all season, and then we weren't brave enough to play through it.
I'm there to do a job. I'm not always needed, but when I am needed, I hope to be there and make those type of saves, and I made them tonight. So I'm quite happy with my performance, and obviously we get the 3 points to add to that as well.
Yeah, and your first goal, I don't know if you've spoken to Reece, was that a cross or a shot?
No, it was a shot. Yeah, he's cheeky. He does it in training quite a lot. You can see that he meant that. It was a great finish from Reece. He's a quality player, and he scored a lot of goals for us this season. So I hope he keeps that going forward.
The lads, yes, I want them to be disappointed because it was a 4-0 loss against a local derby, but ultimately in terms of the first half, we could have scored 7 or 8 goals, and the keepers made some great saves. We've missed some. The strikers have missed chances again, which has been the story of my season so far this season. They don't mean to, but goals change games, and 2-0 up, they're happy at half time, and then 2-0 goals after half time, game set a match.